Pasok na lang.
Kasi nga hindi ko ano.
Ganda na short mo po lang. Pink na pink. First buy from Night Panthers, Paraiso, Biala. Dalawang Biala brothers, Lasyan and Mr. Wayback Burger, Primor. Sa JML Warriors, Mercado, Palma, Espina, Sumagaysay, Engani, Corpus. Ayos, ayos. Palit, palit. Jump ball between Mercado and Primor. Nawali, Sumagaysay. Nawali Patrick. Patrick, paso Lasyan. Lasyan, Sumagasa. Wali, remove by ball. Paso Primor. Primor, nabitawan ng bola. Last touch. Orange ball. Great Jamel, Drax Mendoza, Panganiban Ocel. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Espina, pass to Mercado. Good for two by Ibo. Vincent Paragas, nasaan ka na daw? Biala. Pass to Patrick. Patrick.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Paul, guarded by Sumagaysay. There's a whistle. Committed by number 28, Sumagaysay, a.k.a. Boy Tagay. Paraiso inbounding the ball. Paraiso, pass to Biala. Biala. Golo pass. Last touch by JML Warriors. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Paraiso. Paraiso, pass to Primor. Uy! Foul, hit to the head. Usmara, foul number 20. 23? 28, Sumagaysay, second personal foul. Early foul trouble by Sumagaysay. Paraiso, pass to Primor. Primor, back to Paraiso. Uy! Tinapon ng sabaw, Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay, pass to Corpus. Corpus! No good. Reba by Lasyan. Lasyan, pass to Primor. Primor, side step. Still by Espina. Espina, mangingilaw na. Pass to Palma. Pass to Sumagaysay. Alley-oop to Corpus. Reba by Mercado. Good for two by Ibo. Iba na ang malaki. Hoy, shoutout sa'yo, komedani ko. Tulog ka na, bal na walang malay. Josefina Villanueva, madam, shoutout po. Bal Revilla. Still by Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay, paso, Mercado. Back to back to back. Time out. Night Panthers. Grabe namang ganado si Ibo. 7:22. Score, 6-0. 6-0. Favor of JML Warriors. Aristelio Puliado, Willie Racamadas. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Sherwin Ulidan. Bossing, shoutout sa iyo. Val Revilla, nood muna tayo ng mga star kuya. Nasaan ang star? Margarine. Paul. Paul, guarded by Sumagaysay. Paul, pass to Lasyan. Lasyan, tingin three. No good, ribabay. Para, ribabay Corpus. Oy, huli ka. Foul number 9, holding foul, Patrick Biala. First personal foul. First team foul. Night Panthers. Luigi Palma, inbounding the ball. Pass to Sumagaysay. Oy, may sub tayo. Pass to Espina. Espina back to Sumagaysay. Taking three. Short. Sub rep. Number 5. Paraiso out. Almoite in. Si Gary Dede, wala. Hindi ko alam kung nasan. Hindi makulapa. Palma, nasan daw si Gary? Paul. Paul?
China
Pass
si Gary.
to Primor. Paul, jumper. In and out. Rebound by. Almoite. Foul. Number 5, Ngani. Corpus, first personal foul. 13 foul, JML Warriors. Almoite, inbounding the ball. Nako-play. Ay! Tinapon ng sabaw. Ninervyos. Palma. Pass to Corpus. Corpus thinking 3. Corpus! 3 points. Ganado. Wala pa rin. 9-0. Wala pa rin butas. Lasyan, setting of play. Pass to Paul. Pass to Almoite, thinking 3. Too short. Rebound by. Up. Last touch by Primor. Slow start sa ating mga naka-blue. Luigi Palma. Junel. Shoutout sa Junel Castillo. May laro kayo mamaya. Espina. Pass to Corpus. Corpus ulit. Wale. Blue ball. Paul. Paul.
4 minutes, 50 seconds.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Foul! Oy! Nakabingwit ng foul. Who's foul rep?
Number 7.
Foul number 7. Raymark Mercado.
First, warning for penalty.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. JML Warriors. Almonte. Almonte pass to Paul. Paul. Step back three. Super back spin. Wale. Rebound by Corpus. Nani. Pass to Luigi Palma. John Jason Lebiste. Justin Makasbak. Shoutout sa'yo. Uy, grabe na naman si Mercado. Sa kanya lahat. Uy, out of bounds. Yellow ball. Kondisyon si Mercado. Sub rep, sub. Yala Patrick. Out. Jomer Conol. AKA Oblax. In. Sumagaysay. Ayun na, si Big Boy. Sumagaysay, pass to Palma, pass to Corpus, balik kay Palma. Palma tingin 3, siya naman. Too strong, rebound by Espina. Mangingilaw na. Espina, still by Conol. Ang bilis-bilis ni Conol. Conol, foul. Committed by number 7. Raymond Mercado. Second personal foul penalty. Sabrep. Iba number mo talaga. 14. Wala, yung sa short na camera.
Short.
Hindi, okay na yung
7 na 7.
7 daw. Sige. First free throw by Conol. Hoy, nakabutas na rin. Iba talaga pagkalbo, swerte. Pangalawa. Back to back. 2 for 2 by Mr. Jomer Conol. Sandra Kidlat, Jan Machu, Makaspak, JC Dagay. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Corpus, sige 3, too strong. Rebound by Espina. Rebound by, up. Dinampot pa ni Corpus. 10 seconds to shoot. Corpus, paso Espina. Espina fakes. Espina. 1 second. Sabrep. Sumagaysay out. Embultorio in. 1 second. 1. Okay. Hintay muna. Tumunog. Good. Sumama. Naiba to. Espina. Good for 2 by Espina. Score 13-2. Last 2 minutes in the first quarter. Almoide. Galit na galit. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 6. Big boy. Penalty. Sub. Espina out. Sino to?
David. Gary David. First free throw. Pasok yan. Shoutout sa'yo, Charles Garcia, Argentina. Tulog ka muna, Charles. 2 for 2 by Jupiter Almoide.
Zia Apolinar, Dexter Sunga, Boss Wilong, shoutout sa inyo. 1 minute, 15 seconds. Corbos, sidestep, Corbos, foul. Shooting foul, committed by number 16, Mr. Elmo Primor. First personal foul. Second team foul. Night Panthers. 2 free throws by Ngani. Jomari Corpus. Pasok yan. Akalain mo yun. Mikey De Vera, Isidro Acerdano. Shoutout sa inyo, mga boss. Balikan na, Mikey. Second throw, 2 for 2 by Jomari Corpus. Remaining time, last 1 minute in the first quarter. Shoutout po from Pangasinan, Mikey De Vera. Almoiden, tumagasa, wala, nakakuha pa rin niya, wala pa rin, nakakuha rin Primor. Super Pectus, pasok yan by Elmo Primor. 45 seconds. Gerald Gonzalez, shoutout sa'yo, Gerald Gonzalez. Corpus, pass to Big Boy. Big Boy, foul again. Nakapagpasabit. Foul number 16 again. Elmo Primor, second personal foul. Sabrep. 13 foul. Bayo in. Ball out. Pabalik na ako dyan, bossing. Sige, balik ka na. Unang tira ni Big Boy, Wale. Punta, nakapula, pero papawisan ako.
Dinatakas ako.
Second throw, wala pa rin. Rebound by Primor. Primor, pass to Bayo. Bayo. Pass to Conol. Conol, favorite. Conol, basket counted. Grabe naman yung kalbo na yun. Foul number 24, pushing foul. Bonus free throw. Embultorio, first personal foul. Bonus free throw by Conol.
27 seconds.
Ayan! Mahina, nakakuha ni Big Boy. Big Boy, pass to Palma. Palma. Palma, pass to Orbos. Foul! Who's foul, red foul number 2? Loriano.
Ano kaya?
2 free throws again by Jomari Corpus. Chooks Lagrisola. Shoutout, boss. Shoutout po sa inyo, Chooks Lagrisola. Pasok ko yun, ha? Remaining time, 19 seconds. Split charity by Jomari Corpus. Remaining time, 15 seconds. Kunol na naman! Wale! Whoops! Last touch by Primor. 12 seconds, 12 seconds. Palma, pass to Corpus. Corpus! Ano ka ba, Corpus? 7 seconds, 7. Kenny Lim, shout out to you, bro. Lasyan. Lasyan. Too strong. 2. End of the first quarter. Score 16-8. 8-point lead by JML Warriors. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys for our category C. Shoutout dyan sa mga taga-KD, lalo na yung manggugupit na yun, no? May kulay buhok. Ayun, no? Nakakilala ko sa TikTok. J Barbers, pagupit naman kami. Pa-experience.
Kanina.
Ayun, may kulay buhok. Ganun gupit yun.
Baka naman nakikita ko na.
Back to the ball game.
Shoutout kay Amin.
Si Amin eh. Si Amin.
Ano?
Shoutout sa'yo, Amin. Hindi wow. Gugulo ka eh.
Magkain daw.
Kaya come here. Start of the second quarter. Night Panthers ball. Paraiso, pass to Baldemor. Pass to Dede. Antonio, jumper. Maluwag pa to Leo. Nakuha Almoite. Pagwarsa, good for 2. Nanay nahanap mo, umi.
Si Alfonso.
Hope Caspillo, Lai Asirit. Shoutout shoutout sa inyo mga boss.
Press from
Envoltorio! Hoy! Grabe tumalon yun sa merkado. Kalmahan mo lang. Still by sa Magaysay. Pasto! Espina! Pasto! Kakain na! In and out. Nakakuha ni Mercado. Walang ka-effort. Nakakuha pa rin niya. Mercado! Mercado pa rin. Grabe naman si Ibo. Lakas-lakas ng pamangking namin. Paraiso, still by Espina. Espina, pass to Envoltorio. Behind the back, pass to Magaysay. Pass to Espina again. Espina, wale, Ribabay, Almoite. Pass to Paraiso. Paraiso, pass to Baldemor. Pass to Gary, block by Mercado. Sumagaysay, bumitbit. In and out, nakakuha ni Baldemor. Pass to Paraiso. Paraiso, siya na. Pass to Gary na naman. Pasok na yan kay Gary.
Gary, press from China.
Shoutout sa'yo, Jesse Carion, ng bagong natin dyan. Walang mangga. Jans Arcano de Guzman, Isidro Cerdano. Shoutout mga boss.
Score 18-12.
Sumagaysay, hesitation. Sumagaysay, pass to Espina, pass to Envoltorio, tumira na naman. Basag na naman ang ring. Last touch by blue ball. Ay, sab ka? Sevilla. Backdoor play. Nakakuha ni Sumagaysay, pass to Espina. Tumira na tres. Wale, rebound by Almoite. Pass to Gary. Pass to Paraiso. Still by Espina. Pass to Sumagaysay. Siya na. Drop pass to Sevilla. Wala. Rebound by Gary. Gary siya na. Naagawan. Nakuha ni Envoltorio drop to Mercado. Block by Almoite. Ngunit may foul na nakita. Foul number 24. Almoite shooting foul. Sabret.
First time.
Sino? Paraiso out. Ay, manager Amboy, shoutout sa'yo. Puyat na naman siguro si Bal. Matik yan. Reynald Gali, kumpadre Paris. Shoutout sa'yo, Alfred Paris. Kuya Jess. Shoutout sa'yo, Kuya Jess. Second free throw. Wale, rebound by Sevilla, pass to Mercado na naman, dinakdak. Wala. Nasobrahan sa tagay. Almoite, pass to Paloma. Wala, nakuha pa rin Almoite. Rebound by Gary, in and out, rebound by Espina, pass to. Sumagaysay, pass to Mercado. Sinubo na sa ring yan. Grabe yun. Time out, Knight Panthers. Score 21-12. 9-point lead by JML Warriors. Remaining time 6 minutes 15 seconds. Arif Abdul Ghani Ke, Joey Jabonite, Frances Mary, Kenneth Sumagaysay. Shoutout sa inyo. Shoutout sa nasa likod ko, makulit. Wala sa iyo, sige. Nandun sa coaching ha.
Saan ang coaching mo?
May 1 million doon.
Tangina, hindi ako magnanakaw.
Nandiyan.
Ito.
Pindutin mo. Napin mo doon, tao ka. Back to the ball game. Oo, yung ako, lahat nandun na. Yoyosi ka na lang.
Ano may pinakadulo ha?
Nandyan lang, min sa gitna. Jerome Bautista, Lasing Sibal, Amboy Lorenzo. Bahala kayo dyan. Lasyan bounding the ball. Pass to Biala. Pass to Almoite. Tingin 3. Almoite too short. Rebound by Sevilla. Pass to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Nakabuelo. Sumagaysay. Uy! Grabe mga itik na to. Grabe magliparan. Whoop! Turnover by Paul. Grabe kayong magliliparan. Hope Caspillo, JB Maranak. Shoutout sa inyo. Next game, Good Boys versus Amigos. Category C naman tayo. Sumagaysay. Pass to Corpus. Corpus. Pass to Sevilla. Kakain na. Uy! Gandang pasa naman nun. 7 seconds to shoot. 5. Corpus short. Rebound by Palma. Pass to Lasian. Lasian tumingin pa sa likod. Hindi na pala. Good for 2 by Lasian. Ano all, maraming fans. Nakay, ano pangalan ito? Nakay Maria. Sevilla, pumoposte. Sevilla. Sevilla. Tinapon ng sabaw. Nakuha pa rin niya. Pass to Maria. Maria. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Corpus. Pass to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. 5 to shoot. Rebound by Big Boy. Big Boy. Good for 2 by Big Boy. Kakain na. Mga extra rice.
23-14 Mark.
Jeff Villanueva. Shoutout sa'yo, Jeff Villanueva. Biala, pass to Lasian. Pass to still by Big Boy. Pass to Corpus. Corpus na naman. Corpus lumipad. Foul. Foul committed by number 7. Sabrep. First personal foul. Second team foul. Night Panthers. 2 free throws by Jo Marie. Corpus. Jackson Ryoga. Shoutout sa'yo, Jackson Ryoga. In and out. Rebound by Palma. Palma. Ginugulo. Palma. Pass to Almoite. Almoite pass to Gary. Gary pass to Biala. Good for 2 by Paul Biala. Maria. Maria. Pass to David. Pass to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Back to Maria. 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 Maria jumper too strong. Rebound by. Oy! Last touch by David. Blue ball. Sub. Sumagaysay out. Palma in. Paul. Hindi talaga. Paul. Paul taking 3. Too strong. Rebound by Lasian. Foul committed by number 6, Big Boy. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws by JM Lasian. Unang tira. Pasok yan. Kukuha lang dyan, Ibo. Pag na-shoot ulit. Sana all, madaming fans. Pangalawa. Charles, may important na katabi yan, Charles. Pangalawa. Short, rebound by, Big Boy. Rebound by Corpus.
2 minutes.
Shoutout po kay Lasian. May inspiration dyan, nanonood. Mary Frances. Maria. 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Corpus taking 3. Too strong, rebound by Antonio. Antonio, pass to Palma. Pass to Biala. 3-on-1, pass to Lasian. Good for 2 by Lasian. Remaining time, 1 minute, 45 seconds. Shout out sa'yo, Coach Edwin ng Jetstar. 1 minute, 40 seconds. Maria, jumper. Too strong. Rebound ulit by Antonio. Antonio, pass break to Lasian. Nakakuha ni Maria. Pass to Palma. Palma, jumper. In and out, rebound by Almoite. Pass to Antonio. Antonio, lilipad yan. Antonio, lumipad nga. Tapos ang tira. Foul. Committed by number 88. Palma. Time out. JML Warriors score
24-19.
24-19, 5-point lead by JML Warriors. Remaining time, 1 minute, 9 seconds.
O, ba't yun? Alam mo pa dito? Siyempre. Tao ko, wala naman ako. Kaya maligyan ko eh. Siguro.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Shoutout sa'yo, JM Back Sapra. Nandito ka na pero nanonood ka pa rin sa live.
Kapyan si Ibo.
Sana all. Raymart, pakitain ang jersey mo. Sayang ang ganda. Unang tira, walay. Second throw by Antonio. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Napapailing. Corpus. Ticket free. Wala pa rin. Nawali Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Pass to Palma. Palma. Siya naman. Luigi Palma. 3 points. Iba na ang veterano. Paul.
45 seconds.
45 seconds remaining.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Almoite, foul. Saglit, boss Rejan. Foul number 7. Line foul. Third personal foul. 13 foul.
36 seconds.
JML Warriors. Remaining time, 36 seconds. Antonio. 10 seconds to shoot. Almoite ulit. Almoite, 3 points.
25 seconds.
20 seconds. Corpus babawi. Wale, rebound by Paul. 15 seconds. Antonio lumipad. Bumali. Wala na uli Palma. Palma, good for 2. 5 seconds. 5, 3. Uy, sayang. End of the first half. Score 27-24. 3-point lead by JML Warriors. Okay, shoutout sa'yo. Coach Edwin ulit. Boss Najer. Teka,
Cheer, nakila.
Boss Najer Nakila from KB. Shoutout sa'yo. Paul Sicario. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Cherry Gutierrez, madam. Shoutout sa'yo, madam. At sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa KB, shoutout naman dyan. Yung may kulay si J Barbers. Gusto nyo magpagupit. Ayan o, boss, kaway ka naman dyan. Yan. Gupitan mo daw itong katabi ko. Shoutout sa katabi mo, Charles.
Okay.
Shoutout sa katabi mo. Hindi. Bahala ka na, turo mo kung sino. Kaya muna, maya. Ano ka na yun? Hindi ko makilala eh. Back to the ball game. Oy, Manager Sherwin Dulpo, shoutout sa'yo, boss. Miss you, miss ka na ng Amboy. Cherry Ann Munoz, pa-shoutout po kay Raymark Mercado. Ayan na po, na-shoutout na. Shoutout Boss Espiritu, pasok na. Adrian Montojo, tulog ka na. Joyce Peregrino, Gerald Balaota, shoutout sa'yo. Sa inyo pala. Sumagaysay, pass to David, pass to Palma. Palma, cross court pass to Corpus. Wale, rebound by David. Pass to Corpus again. Corpus, using the board. Good for 2 by Corpus. Lito Gacelo. Shout out sa'yo, PJ Nicdao. Lasyan. Pass to Primor. Primor, cross court pass to Paraiso. Pass to Antonio. Antonio! Finger roll, may foul. Sumabit. Foul. Number 11. Leonel Espina.
First.
Mantutusok na daw tayo ng lobster. Bagay naman. 2 free throws by Antonio. Wala pa rin.
First thing ano.
Sobra na sa kalikot kasi ang pre. Nagagal na rin si Palma. Pangalawa. Wala pa rin. Ay, tinitigan pa eh. 1 out of 2.
29-25.
Palma, paso. Sumagaysay, Wale. Hoy! Grabe naman lumilipad yun. Push foul rep. Foul number 23. 29, sorry. Konol. Pushing foul. Okay.
First personal foul, first team foul.
May sub tayo. Espina, favorite. Good ball to by Espina. Lasyan. Guarded by Palma. Lasyan. Pass to Primor. Primor, jumper. Primor, basket. Good ball to by Primor. Palma, pass to Sumagaysay. Guarded by Primor. Sumagaysay. Foul na naman. Number 16, Elmo Primo. Third personal foul. Sabit. Second team foul, Night Panthers. Sherwin Rivero. PJ Nicdao, Lozada Alan, Rayo Tutar. Shout out sa inyo mga boss.
And the shoot.
Marcelo Sumagaysay. Palma, for 3, no good. Rebound by Espina. Pass to David.
And the shoot.
Pass to Palma, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Corpus. Pinoy step. Good for 2 by Corpus. Ang pangit ng Pinoy step mo. Kala mo maganda? Patrick. Pass to Paraiso. Pass to Conol. Wala. Rebound by Primor. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Conol. Good for 2 by Conol. Napakasipag ng kalbo. Isaiah Junior, shout out sa'yo bro. Sumagaysay. Pass to Corpus. Short, rebound by Conol. Pass to Patrick using the board. Good for 2 by Patrick. Score! 33-31. 2-point lead by JML Warriors. Mahabol na. Sumagaysay. Jumper. Short. Sub rep. Sub. David out. Sumagaysay out. Embultorio and Sevilla in. Patrick, pass to Paraiso. Setting the play. Paraiso jumper. Too strong. Rebound by Conol na naman. Napakasipag ni Conol. Hinatay Gary. Wale. Rebound by Sevilla. Up. Sub. Espina out. Mercado in. Grabe, gandang laban to. Walang maghihiwalay to. Primor. Pass to Antonio. Too strong. Rebound by Palma. Pass to Corpus. Tumingin pa sa likod. Good for 2 by Corpus. Paraiso. Pass to Patrick. Pass to Primor. Pass to Paraiso. Fade away. Good for 2 by Paraiso. Time remaining 4 minutes 50 seconds. Score 35-33. Palma. Pass to Corpus. Foul again. Committed by number 29. Jomer Conol. Sub, rep, sub. Primor out. Almoite in. Primor out. Primor. Number 29, Conol. Second personal foul. 13th foul, Night Panthers. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys. Corpus, short. Rebound by Paraiso. Up. Last touch by Sevilla. Amin, huwag kang gumanya, malas yan. Tanda mo, dyan namatay si Ninoy. Paraiso. Pass to Orbos. Oy! There's a whistle committed by number 2. Maria. First personal foul. Second team foul. JML Warriors. Conol. Pass to Patrick. Pass to Antonio. Antonio jumper. Basket. Good for 2 by Gary Antonio. Deadlock na tayo. All 35. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Pa-shoutout sa dada ni Axel, Jerilyn Bulag.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Bultorio. 5 seconds, Maria. Waley.
Mamaya na sa upper quarter.
Wala nga anong mga
Mamaya na.
Almoite. Waley. Rebound by Embultorio. Embultorio nagmamadali. Embultorio siya na. Wala. Rebound by Almoite. Pass to Antonio. Foul. Foul number 29. William Sevilla. First personal foul. 13 foul. JML Warriors. Timeout. JML Warriors. Sige. Okay. Back to the ball game. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys. Sherwin Rivero. Shoutout sa'yo, Sherwin Rivero. Type nyo lang dito yung magpapa-shoutout. Unang tira. Pasok yan. Lamang na ang Night Panthers. Change flavor. Pangalawa, wala. Rebound by Mercado. Pass to Corpus. Shoutout po kay Jeric Orteza. Sa Espina, foul. Nakapagpasabit. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. JM Lasian. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Night Panthers. Shoutout sa'yo, Bonnie, shoutout sa'yo. Sorry naman, huwag nang gagaling. Ayun o, pang best player natin. Unang tira ni Espina, pasok yan. Pangalawa. Pasok pa rin, parang nangingilaw lang.
Change favor.
tabla na.
Change flavor ulit. 37-36, 1 point lead by JML Warriors. Patrick, pass to Paraiso, pass to Antonio, nakalusot, wala, rebound by, last touch by Orange. Puluputan kayo, marami kayo masyado dyan. Ang lalaki nyo.
Lalaki oh.
Conol, pass to Antonio, back to Conol, nakaplay, ang galing naman doon. Give and go.
Last 1 minute.
Change flavor ulit. Time remaining, last 1 minute in the third quarter. Embultorio, pass to Espina. Espina looking for his teammate. Pass to Corbus. 50 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Wow. Saglit. Foul number 5. Paraiso shooting foul. Sabrep.
Number 5, Paraiso, first personal foul, penalty. Night Panthers. Okay, kung alam niya po. Unang tira ni Espina, wari. Pangalawa. Sabrep.
Stop.
Patrick out, Paul in.
All score.
All 38. All 38. Paul. Remaining time. Last 40 seconds. Pinasay Conol. Conol. Wala. Conol pa rin. Conol. Nakapagpasabit ang kalbo. Who's foul rep? Foul number 7. Mercado. Sabrep. Okay, pasok. Raymark out. Mercado warning for graduation. Penalty?
Wala. Warning.
Warning for penalty. 2 free throws by Jomer Conol. Pasok yan. Grabe, may paturo-turo pa si Conol
Condition siguro lang.
Kumbulsyon. Pangalawa. Kondisyon talaga ang kalbo. Lamang na ng dalawa ang Night Panthers, 40-38. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Sumagaysay, no-look pass kay Corbus. 10 seconds to shoot. Big boy, good for 2 by Big Boy. Time remaining, 15 seconds. Conol, 10 seconds. 5. End of the third quarter. Score, all 40. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys. Shoutout sa ating sponsor, Madewa Halo-Halo. Pagka halo-halo lang, Madewa Halo-Halo na. Parang ano lang depende lang Mark, Parang minuto ka bilang. Daming punch. Sige.
Sa'yo na nakatukoy ng click.
Back to the ball. Mark, wala.
Low.
Blue ball, blue. Lito Gacelo. Chenny Gutierrez, Val Revilla. Lai Acerit, Alan Angelos. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Blue ball, blue ball. Fourth quarter. Paul. Pass to Antonio. Pass to Lasian, taking three. Short. Rebound by Corbus. Ngani. Corbus. Pass to Espina. Block by Palma. Rebound by Mercado. Short. Rebound by Espina. Foul. Committed by number 15. Dariel Palma. Hit to the head, ha?
First personal foul, Palma. Espina, first free throw, basket. Lamang ng isang Jenner. Last throw.
Pasok pa rin. Shout out Sean Lico from Dennis Tadusay from Philippines. May Luis, shout out sa madam. Paul, still by Espina. Pass to Corbus lumipad. Sure ball yan. Good for to by Corbus. Almoite. Nakawa ni Lasian. Lasyan, inenag, ibabay Mercado. Pasok Corpus na naman. Corpus! Iluwa! Ano ba yan? Biala na bitawan. Time out. Time out, Knight Panthers. Score 44-40. 4 pointed by JML Warriors. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys. Category C.
Hindi ko na binabayang tubig na.
Shoutout sa'yo, Amin. Ang ganda ng pagkakapo mo dyan. Ha? Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter na tayo. Shoutout po kay Jeric Otezar. Nami-miss ko na ho siya. Sige. Miss ka na rin niya. Big boy, pass to Sumagaysay. 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 Oop! Offensive foul, illegal pick.
Foul number 6 for illegal pick. Big boy.
Foul lang yung foul.
Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Rechan. Ano pa?
Boss Najer.
Region.
Renjan nga, Renjan. Paul. Pass to Antonio. Pass to Palma. Favorite. Natakot, nalula, nalunod. Ribamba Mercado. Pass to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Buwid bet. Walid. Put back by Corpus. Good ball by Corpus.
Nasa middle set.
Still by Espina. Espina, pass to Mercado. Mercado lumipad. Mercado! Foul! Committed by number 7. Lacian. Third personal ba, ha? Hindi pa na. Saglit. May announce.
Number 7, unsportsmanlike foul.
3 minutes.
Excessive contact.
Lasyan, rest ka muna for 3 minutes.
Ano kayo babalik, Martin?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, rest.
4 minutes siya.
Samsam.
4 minutes siya babalik. Pasok ba? Isa?
Pasok. Balik ka ng 4 minutes 30 seconds. Pasok, pareho si Ibo.
Criteria ano yun, no? Criteria 3 for excessive contact. Hindi na ball, hindi na bole. Hindi na bole yung inabol. Braso na.
20 shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Corpus, half time. No good, ibabay Almoite. Bayo. Pass to Biala. Pass to Almoite. Almoite. Black. Rebound by Gary. Gary. Too strong. Rebound by Bayo. Bayo. Pass to Antonio. Antonio. Conol. Foul. Grabe magpasabit yun. Foul number
Sino ba yun?
28. Sumagaysay.
Third.
Third personal foul.
First team foul.
First team foul, JML Warriors. Conol, first free throw. Short.
Relax lang kayo.
Kalma lang. Second free throw. Pasok pa rin. Pasok yan. Isa lang pala. 1 out of 2. Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Pass to Corpus.
Corpus looking for a big. Corpus drop to Big Boy. Big Boy running. Gaber. Good for 2 by Big Boy.
Biala. Paul, pass to Conol. Too strong. Rebound by. Oy. Same ball. Almoyday, pass to Antonio. Good for two by Antonio. Gary. Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Dribbling the ball. Sumagaysay. Pass to Big Boy. Big Boy. Sidestepping. Big Boy. Foul. Sinagasaan.
Foul number 3, Antonio, blocking foul. Sub, ref, sub. Thrower, sorry. Antonio, first personal foul. 13 foul, Night Panthers. Unang tira, pagod na.
Bonita.
Pangalawa, mahina, nakawali Kulol.
Conol, pass to Biala. Biala nagmamadali. Biala nakalusot. Biala, wala rebound by Conol. Nakita ka pa dan? Huli ka. Pushing foul number 29. Conol, subrep. Sevilla in. Bonita out.
Third.
Conol, third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Night Panthers. Sumagaysay. Intercept by Antonio.
Sevilla, long for his teammate, pass to Sumagaysay. Turnover. Out of bounds. Blue ball.
Hindi ka masibo.
Ay, Conol! Nagulat!
Nagulat.
Stepping on the lines.
Malalapitin mo rito.
Yung sasab, lalapit dito
Yan mo siya. Mamu yung ano.
Mercado, good for two by Mercado. Bayo. Pass to Paul. Pass to Primor. Basket counted. Foul number 29. William Sevilla. Second personal foul. Second team foul. JML Warriors. Bonus free throw. Mr. Elmo Primor. Completed. Score 52-46. 6 point lead by JML Warriors. Remaining time. Last 5 minutes in the fourth quarter. Sevilla. Still. Nawa pa rin niya. Sevilla. Foul. Foul number 2. Loriano shooting foul.
Yung gamitin mo yung uno.
Loriano, second personal foul. Penalty.
Weng Bandosilia. Shout out sa'yo.
May lakas ka.
Nakain ako.
Unang tira, Weng. 30 seconds pa.
Doon sa
30 seconds.
Doon
30 seconds.
Jerdong. Ito sa Magnetal. Daming tao.
Pangalawa. Pasok na yan.
Tara na. No.
Salam.
Biala. Paso Paraiso. Short. Rebound by Mercado. Paso Corbus. Naunang tumalon si Corbus. Biala. Paso Antonio, malakas. Nakakuha pa rin ni Mercado. Nakakuha ni Corbus. Paso Sumagaysay. Liluha.
Yeah, pwede na. Dala man.
Foul number 8. Paul, Biala. Pushing foul. 2 free throws. Sub. Bayo out. Lasian in.
Sino?
Biala, first personal foul, penalty. Shout out kay Jupiter Almoide from Mark Lawrence Almoide. Pasok.
Unang tira, wali.
Wala pa rin. Ako ni Corpus. Nangungulangot. Nakakuha pa yun. May magnet yung bola. Primor. Primor. Bumitbit. Primor. Favorite. Good ball by Primor. Score. 55-48. 7.8 by JML Warriors. Remaining time. 4 minutes, 7 seconds. Okay. Acknowledge timeout. Mga naka-orange. Espina. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mercado. Mercado. Wally. Rebound by Primor. 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 Sana. Uy! Nakabingwit pa ng foul. Foul number 29. Sevilla.
Time out, boss.
Timeout. JML Warriors. Sevilla. Third personal foul. 13 foul. JML Warriors. Next game, Amigos versus Good Boys. Magbilot-bilot na kayo. Shoutout sa'yo, boss. Nandyan. Sana, lang lunod. Nagkakapidila ako. Oh, smack. Ha? Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 50 seconds. Score natin, 55-48, 7.8 by JML Warriors. Antonio, good ball to by Antonio. Yan, Jason Nebise, shout out, Boss Abdal, Lodi yan. Ayan o. Palma, pass to Sumagaysay. Ut! Traveling! Shout out sa'yo, Mario Pahimutang Jr. Sean Ligo, shout out sa inyo. Watching from Vancouver, Brunei. Paraiso, pass to Biala. Guarded by Palma. Biala, top by Palma, still by Sumagaysay. Chased by Glacial. Oy! Double dribble! Sabrep. Sumagaysay out. And Bultorio in. Sub. Sevilla out. B-boy in. Paraiso inbounding the ball. Jeffrey Repuerzo, shout out sa'yo, Boss Amoy. Elmo, wala na, ni Gary. Pass to Lasian, tingin 3, too strong. Orange ball. Ben Beckman, shout out to you. Boss AJ, shout out sa'yo, Boss AJ, miss you. Remaining time, last 3 minutes in the fourth quarter. Embultorio using the clock. Embultorio, pass to Mercado. Mercado, pass Espina, fakes. Espina, foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 3, Gary Antonio. Second personal foul. Penalty. Ilan ba? Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
Two free throws by Will Espina. Pasok! Parang namamana lang.
Sino lamang JML Warriors?
Pag na-shoot, may hits na ba?
Score natin, 57-50, 7.8 by JML Warriors. Remaining time, 2 minutes, 47 seconds in the fourth quarter. Shout out sa'yo, Bossing Calvin, Vanguardia.
5 to shoot.
5 seconds to shoot. Antonio using the board, good for 2. Palma, pass to Mercado. Pass to Espina, still by Paraiso. Ako nila siya, pinatay Conol. Pass to Biala. Jumper. Too strong, rebound by Espina, 3-on-1 pass break. Espina, pass to Envoltorio. Good for 2 by Envoltorio. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Biala, pass to Paraiso, back to Biala, pass to Antonio, tinapon ng sabaw. Miscommunication, remaining time, last 2 minutes. In the fourth quarter. Score 59-52. 7-point lead by
Wala.
JML Warriors. Envoltorio guarded by Paul. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Mercado, 5 seconds. Offensive foul.
Number 24, Montoyo, offensive foul. Sub.
Paul out, Patrick in.
1 minute 37.
Remaining time, 1 minute 37 seconds. Score natin, 59-52. 7-point lead by JML Warriors. Patrick, pass to Conol, super layup. Good for 2 by Conol. 5 lang yan, 5. Envoltorio. Remaining time, 1 minute 20 seconds. Envoltorio, nahirapan magpasa. Nice steal. Si Paraiso, pass to Antonio. Good for 2. Time out. JML Warriors. Score 59-56. 3-point lead by JML Warriors. Wala nang timeout. Time remaining 1 minute 12 seconds in the fourth quarter. Ilang timeout pa to? Isa? Dalawa? Hindi na, wala na. Ano lang, no? Nagamit pala. May dalawang timeout pa ang Night Panthers. Dalawa pa. Yan man, kone. Back to the ball game. Orange ball, orange. Shoutout sa'yo, Jano Aquino. Na-shoot. Bola nyo, bola. ...24. Iba na inbound yan dito sa sideline. Jason Bautista, KT Plaza, shoutout sa inyo. Corpus. Pass to Espina. Pass to Big Boy, Bonita. Pass to Palma. Last 1 minute. Corpus, 10 seconds to shoot. Whoop.
Foul. Who's foul, right? Foul number 7, Lasian. Hand check. Warning for grabbing. Penalty.
Two free throws by Jomari Corpus. Yun daw, sabi ng katabi ko. Pangalawa. KT Plaza, shoutout sa'yo KT Plaza. Aristeo Puliado, shoutout sa inyo. Pangalawa, pasok pa rin yan. 58 seconds. Patrick, pass to Conol, Sumagasa, Conol, good for 2 by Conol. 50 seconds. Big Boy, pass to Espina. Time remaining, 40 seconds. Big Boy, follow by Mercado, wale, foul.
Foul number 5. Paraiso. Second personal foul. Penalty. Stop. Big Boy out. Sumagay sa inyo.
Ikaw makawag.
Unang tira, wala.
7.
Pangalawa. Oh, next game. Pilot-pilot na kayo, next game. Wala pa rin. Nakawali, Corpus! Corpus!
Pinasa lang kay Patrick. Patrick, nagawa, nakuha. Hop. Ayan na, humiga. Ayan. Sige. Sana all. Biglang bumili sana, turbo. Blue ball. 30 seconds, 30. 61, 58. Tatlo lang. Paraiso. 20 seconds. Biala, Patrick, short, ibabay. Last yan, wala pa rin, nawa pa rin niya. Last yan, pasok yan. 14 seconds, 14. Foul, science. Pushing foul, number 5, Paraiso, penalty.
Score natin, 61-60. 1 point lead by JML Warriors.
2 free throws by Luigi Palma. Crucial free throw.
11 seconds, 11.
Hoy! Oy! Nagpaparamdam.
Pag na-shoot, timeout.
Nodner. Ariogonola. Palma. Pasok yan! Time out.
Night Panthers.
Meow. Josepina Villanueva. Shout out po, madam. 11 seconds. Ilang foul na sila?
Wala pa, third pa lang.
Tatlo pa lang, third personal foul pa lang, 13 foul pa lang, 13 foul. JML, 13 foul.
Shout out daw kay Abdan. Back to the ball game. Ganda ng laban. Wala nang time. Ayan na lang. 11 na lang. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Jason Bautista. Shout out sa'yo, Jason Bautista. Ayan na. Moment of truth.
Yan na, kasi...
Paraiso. Pass to Patrick. Patrick! Pinagaw ang bola! Sayang. Ang tato. Science ang tato. Foul number 9. Second personal foul. 2 free throws by Ngani.
4.9. Unang tira, ni Ngani. Oy! Pinagdaan pa. Pangalawa. Oh, may timeout pa. Timeout daw pag nashoot. Ayan na. Pasok ka rin.
Timeout. Night Panthers. Score. 64-60. 4-point lead by JML Warriors. Grabe yun. May nalaban. Ulitin natin yung balong ha. Shout out Longski Boy TV. Watching from Honolulu, Hawaii, Brunei.
Second game, nabi mo na yun.
Second game. Magbilot-bilot tayo. Second game. Antonio, tumira ng 3. Gising hanggang alas 3. Congratulations! JML Warriors!